Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and um, how to enable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud function to read whole words in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for our keyboard functions and how to make it read our words. First, settings. Then we need to go General Management Options menu. Next, we need to open Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then we need to scroll down to Swipe, Touch and Feedback option. And here we have our Speak Keyboard Input Aloud function. So right now it's on and it will read characters. And when we open the menu, we have a few more options. So we want this function to read words. So as you can see, we can select this option right here. And we have a few more options here as well. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.